speed once, it is a very good option. And if you feel comfortable, then you can take it for long term as well. Speed apps. Every time I used to listen all the classes that you have covered, Bailey, Saviston, and Schwartz, all three. That is the main core of my video lecturing classes I used to see. They had speed subscription. He recommended, and my other senior, they both were using speed app only, so speed app was very helpful.
So I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members of Speed Medical Institute to Dr. Karthik HS for scoring topmost rank of 277 in MCA Surgical Group, NEET SS 2025 session. Congratulations to you, Doctor.
Thank you very much, sir.
And great to have you in the session. Thanks for allocating your valuable time to share your experiences with us and also to the students watching this video.
Sure, sir.
Great. So can we know your brief background from where you started till date, what all you have done?
Sir, I have completed my UG from Karnataka Institute of Medical Sciences, Hubli, Karnataka, and I have completed my general surgery DNB from Government Multi Speciality Hospital, Sector 16, Chandigarh.
Very good. Excellent. Congratulations. Great
Thank
accomplishment.
you.
Wonderful journey. Now, what is your super specialty interest?
Sir, surgical gastroenterology.
Very good, very good. Excellent field, excellent choice. Very nice, very nice. Doctor, can we know once you decided to do a super specialty of surgical gastroenterology and what all you started doing and how you prepared, what is preparation strategy to achieve this rank and the mark?
Sir, my preparation strategy initially was to refer all the standard textbooks, sir. During my post-graduation days, I used to study Bailey and Love, mainly Bailey and Love, and gastro and some parts of other super specialty. I used to do it from Saviston. And then during my preparation journey, a majority of general surgery was from Bailey and Love, and rest all super specialty. I tried to cover almost everything from Saviston only, and some shorts, images, and tables which are not given in these two textbooks that I used to check, sir.
Great.
And speed apps, sir. All every time I used to listen all the this your classes, sir, that you have covered Bailey, Saviston, and Schwartz, all three. That is the main core of my video lecturing classes I used to see. Then after the classes, I used to go back, read the Bailey and Saviston of that part. So it used to be like a revision for me, and retention rate will be more doing like this, according to me.
Great, very nice of you to share it. And once you go through the videos of Bailey 20th edition and Subistar 22nd and Schwartz 11th edition, then once you go through the class, then you go through the book and
Yes, sir.
how you felt that your comprehension and understanding of that topic in MCQ wise and from the book.
Sir, actually, whenever I used to study earlier, it was like a gross thing, not MCQ or exam oriented, entrance exam oriented type. Then when I used to watch the class and then go back and read, then I used to realize this small point that I might have not remembered, but I have read it. But this, which I have not remembered, this is an MCQ point. So these things I need to focus more and put more stress on such things. So in that way, speed app was very helpful, especially your classes, sir. I mainly saw your classes only, and CTVS I saw, and rest all I use,
Thank
and MCQs, and QBanks and test series.
Great, Doctor. Thank you for sharing. It was a wonderful share. And can you tell us about the paper? How many questions were you able to answer? And what was the standard of the paper according to you?
Sir, I attended 147 questions. It was, according to me, it was moderate to difficult kind of thing only. So
Okay.
I can't say that it was an easy one or something like that. It was moderate to difficult thing only. It was more conceptual, sir, this time. not like just MCQ one line answers or directly line from the books, not such way. It was conceptual and scenario oriented.
Great. Very nice. Thank you for sharing it. And doctor, what is the message for the future aspirants of MCH surgical group?
Sir, I will recommend everyone to first keep the standard textbooks as your MS or DNB general surgery during general surgery residency time. If you have good hold on your basics, then it will be much more easy to comply with the videos of the app as well as to cope up with the uh, standardness of the exam as well. So be thorough with the basics. If you get your basics right, you can, even if you get some questions out of the way, you can still try to manage if your basics are good. You can easily eliminate options.
Very nice. Very nice. Great. Great, doctor. Thanks for telling the students, and so that it will be useful for them. And who introduced speed to you, and how speed was useful for this exam?
Sir, actually, uh, during my residency time, my seniors used to they had speed subscription. One of my senior got rank 3 in AML in neurosurgery, and he recommended, and my other senior, they both were using speed app only. So I asked him, he recommended this, kindly go through speed once. It is a very good option, and if you feel comfortable, then you can take it for long term as well.
Great, doctor. Nice,
So it
nice.
was my senior advice.
Okay. And what is the uh, thankful message? I mean, whom all you want to thank that they helped you from day one till date? You can use the platform to thank everybody.
I have a long list, sir, but I'll try to keep it short. So, first, thanks to my father and mother. They believed in me, they trusted me. Last time I got actually 726 rank, but I was not able to get the branch of my choice. So, they showed confidence me and they told it's okay, you can take it for one more time. You can crack it and you will crack it. Don't worry, keep your confidence high and you will do it. So big, very big thanks to my parents and my brother. He was my backbone, back support every time. When I used to call him and talk to him, he used to say, "Don't worry, nothing, no need to worry. You are a good student from your school days, college days. You are a good student. You will crack it. You don't need to worry about it. Just give your 100% effort, and everything will go through." And special thanks to my fiance, Dr. Nidhi. She got rank 2 in AML this year, this time. She was also using Speed app, by the way.
Congratulations to both of you. Being a family of speed.
Yes, yes, sir, yes, sir. And all my friends who were there to support me either morally or even to take away my anxiety when I get stressed or something like that. So all thanks to every one of them.
Great, doctor. We once again wish you all the very best and all the success for a great and wonderful career in surgical gastroenterology as a super specialty, and to go on.
Thank you very much, sir. Great thanks to you, sir, for keeping us motivated all the time in every class, especially the high yield topics and these last sessions that during just before exams that we used to have. I used to study when I get bored. I used to open these videos and just I'll put on there. You'll just as a randomly you will take topics and you will discuss. It will be like a refreshment every time. Whenever I get bored, whenever I feel low, I'll come back to your classes. I'll open those videos and I'll see only those things only every time. And it is mood changer, game changer, everything, sir.
Thanks.
So thank you so much, sir, for being there for the students. Thank you so much.
Great, doctor. Thanks for acknowledging it and sharing it. Great words. Means a lot.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so once again, I wish you Best wishes as a surgical gastroenterologist touch upon millions of life and patients. Best wishes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you.